In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an image to the back in Google Slides. Mastering object order is a quick way to make your slides look clean, readable, and professional, especially when you're working with photos, text, and shapes on the same slide. First, open the Google Slides presentation where you want to adjust the image layering and go to the slide you're working on. Now, insert your image, click Insert at the top, select Image, then choose Upload from Computer or pick another source that works for you like Drive or Photos. Select your file, confirm, and the image will appear on the slide. Click the image to select it. You'll see blue handles around the edges and a border, which tells you it's active. At this point, the picture may be sitting on top of text boxes or shapes, covering important content. That's normal, and it's exactly what we're about to fix. Right-click directly on the image to open the context menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works as well. From this menu, choose Order. This is where Slides controls the stacking of objects, what shows in front and what sits behind. You'll see two options you'll use most often. Send backward moves the image back one layer at a time. This is handy if you have several overlapping items and you only want the image to slip behind one or two of them. Send to back moves the image all the way behind every other element on the slide in a single step. Think of your slide as a stack of sheets. Send backward slides the image down by one sheet. Send to back drops it to the very bottom of the stack. Pick the option that fits your layout. If you want the image to act like a background behind all text and shapes, choose Send to Back. If you need precise control because multiple objects overlap, use Send Backward until the arrangement looks just right. Now check the result. Your text and other objects should appear clearly on top while the image sits behind them, adding visual interest without blocking readability. If the outcome isn't what you expected, press undo and try the other option. You can still reposition or resize the image while it's behind other elements to refine your composition. Keep in mind that ordering affects objects on the current slide. It won't move an image behind the actual slide background or theme elements from the master. That's all there is to it. Layering is a small step that makes a big difference in clarity and design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.